Hello and welcome. If you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. In this video, we are discussing some of the technology updates. So the first update. iPhone 14 Pro live video surfaces and showcases option to toggle unified pill notch. Redmi A1 key specifications and live image leaked ahead of launch. iPhone 14 Pro live video shows option to toggle unified pill notch. Realme C33 India launch date set for September 6. Google Pixel Watch price leaked. Realme Watch 3 Pro India launch set for September 6. Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Fold 2022 with a 16.3-inch foldable display launched. WhatsApp working on in-app surveys and ability to text yourself. Redmi A1 key specifications and live image leak ahead of launch. Realme C33 India launch date set for September 6. Then Google Hangouts on the web to be upgraded to Google Chat from November 1. Pixel 7 to be made in Vietnam as Google begins moving flagship production out of China. Netflix ad supported plan launch set for November 1. Apple Samsung could gain from India's new parallel testing strategy to speed up safety approvals. Redmi A1 India launch date set for September 6. Teased to feature clean Android experience. iPhone 14 Pro successor could feature TSMC's 3nm SoCs, maybe most powerful phones in 2023. LG moved up fridge with LED light panels and Bluetooth speaker unveiled at IFA 2022. So LG moved up fridge with LED light panels and Bluetooth speaker unveiled at IFA 2022. Apple in top 3 bands considered for quality without actual car on sale. Then Realme C33 with a 50 megapixel rear camera and 5000 mAh battery to launch in India on September 6. Redmi A1 key specifications and live image leaked ahead of September 6 launch. WhatsApp working on in-app surveys and ability to text yourself from linked devices. So WhatsApp working on in-app surveys and ability to text yourself from linked devices. iPhone 14 Pro live video surfaces and showcase option to toggle unified pill notch. Redmi A1 key specifications and live image leaked ahead of launch. So these are some of the technology updates, and if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.